Have you ever met a girl who never gives up, even when the whole world is against her? Today's story is about such a girl. She was not the strongest. She was not the richest. She was not the smartest. But she had something that changed everything, a brave heart. This is the story of Hazel, the brave heart girl, who teaches us that courage is stronger than fear. Hazel was a 15-year-old girl who lived in a small American town. Her little house stood near the woods, and her school was 5 miles away. Every morning, she walked to school with her backpack and a hopeful smile. But life was not easy for Hazel. She came from a poor family. Her father lost his job, and her mother worked long hours at a bakery. Many of her classmates wore new clothes and carried shiny phones, but Hazel had only one old pair of shoes and no phone. Still, she never complained. Hazel had one big dream. She wanted to become a nurse. She wanted to help sick people and bring hope into their lives. But everyone around her laughed. "Hazel, you can't be a nurse. You don't even have money for college." One boy teased, "You should think about something smaller." Another girl said. Their words hurt, but Hazel had a brave heart. She decided she would never give up. One afternoon, something happened that changed everything. While walking home from school, Hazel heard a loud crash near the woods. It was a car accident. A small child was crying inside the car. People stood around, shocked and scared, not knowing what to do. Hazel ran forward without thinking twice. She remembered first aid lessons from her science teacher. She calmed the child, checked for wounds, and told the adults to call 911. She stayed with the boy until the ambulance arrived. The child's mother hugged Hazel tightly and said with tears, "You saved my son. You are truly a brave heart." The story spread across the town. Teachers, neighbors, and even the mayor heard about Hazel's courage. For the first time, people stopped laughing at her dream. Instead, they started believing in her. Her school principal called her to the office and said, "Hazel, I'm proud of you. We will help you apply for a scholarship." Hazel's eyes filled with tears. Her brave heart had finally opened a new door. Years passed. Hazel worked hard, studied late at night, and never gave up. She won a scholarship, completed college, and became a nurse. She wore her white uniform with pride. Patients loved her because she always smiled and said, "Don't be afraid. I am here with you." Hazel proved that you don't need to be rich or powerful to change lives. You just need courage, kindness, and a brave heart. So, dear listener, this was the story of Hazel, the brave heart girl. What do we learn? Life will give us pain, problems, and people who laugh at us. But if we carry courage in our hearts, nothing can stop us. Remember, your brave heart is your superpower.